Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. Tomorrow is Christmas Day, so let me start by wishing you all a Merry Christmas. I hope you guys get the chance to spend these holidays with all your loved ones. And also thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule for watching this Smully Art Christmas special. Last year I drew Santa in a steampunk style, and I thought it was a cool idea to do the same exercise this year but with a different art style. So let's check out what style I chose for this year's Christmas illustration. So like I said, last year I drew this Santa piece in a steampunk style, and for this year I want to draw him as a fantasy warrior. What if Santa was from Middle-earth? Of course he would be riding a reindeer and wielding a big sword and axe. And in his armor I included some subtle Christmas references. The axe is a little nod to my friend Mr. X from the art channel Forger of Fantasies. We did a very cool collab last year, and I know he likes this weapon a lot. Merry Christmas, my friend! And tell me guys, in what style should I draw Santa next year? Tell me in the comment section. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... Thinking time! Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked my Christmas illustration, and if you guys liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you guys want to help me in this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends, and we will see each other again next Friday. Bye!